Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Nadra from Working Girl Cooks. How are you? Hope you all will be fine by the grace of Allah. Guys, today in my Ramadan special, I am sharing crispy aubergine or bangan pakoda recipe. Bangan pakoda is very popular especially in Ramadan. It gives a new flavor and extra variety to make pakoda differently. Let's check the ingredients to make crispy aubergine or bangan pakoda. Aubergine or bangan 1, besan or gram flour 1 cup, rice flour 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, chili powder 1 teaspoon, cumin powder half teaspoon, baking soda 1/4 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon or as required, half a cup oil for frying. First thing first, I will chop aubergine or bangan in half-inch thick slices. Guys, do not do thin slice, otherwise during frying it will not hold the shape. Here I am slicing in round and few in rectangular shape to show you that it could be sliced in different shapes. Now I will dissolve half teaspoon salt in water and dip the aubergine slices in it and keep it aside for about 30 to 40 minutes. Through this process, aubergine's bitter taste will be gone and you will get a very nice flavor of aubergine or bangan. Now it's time to make besan or gram flour batter. Simply I will put all dry ingredients in a mixing bowl and mix them together before adding water. Now I will add water and mix well to get fine and smooth batter. Here I will add water in 2 to 3 go to get the right consistency. Batter shouldn't be very runny, otherwise slice will not get nice coating. Now you can see the batter is smooth and has a thick consistency. I will leave it to rest for 15 to 20 minutes. In the meantime, I will drain the water from the aubergine and pat on kitchen towel to dry. Everything is ready. Let's fry aubergine or bangan pakoda. Just simply dip the slice into the batter and coat it from both sides before putting it in oil. Don't put too much slices in one go, otherwise they will stick to each other and coating will be broken. Add 4 to 5 slices at a time. Frying would be done on low heat. And guys, don't change the sides immediately. Let it settle down for about 1 minute. Then change the sides and fry them till golden brown. Here is delicious and crispy aubergine or bangan pakora. You can see how crispy are they. They are tempting us to try them. Who will say no? Not even me. Hope you will try this recipe and give me feedback. See you next time in my Ramazan special with another delicious recipe. Till then, take care. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.